Hey guys, this is Jason from Georgia Manufacturing Alliance. I got some great news I'd like to share with you. We just opened up a really neat opportunity for you to be able to attend the summit and bring a friend. Our Bring a Friend program consists of 2 general admission tickets. The tickets currently are $125 a piece to the summit, but if you want to bring a friend, we'll give you 2 tickets for $150. Now this promotion ends on Tuesday night, the 24th at midnight. So make sure you go online and order your tickets now. We've got great keynote speakers. We've got a full panel of industry professionals that'll be sharing some educational programs that you can't find anywhere else. So make plans to attend the summit October the 9th at the Cobb Galleria. You can come, you can attend by yourself at $125, which is a great value, but if you want to bring a friend and be able to add value in somebody else's life and give them the opportunity to learn what you're learning, use that program. It's called the Bring a Friend program. You just go to register at GeorgiaManufacturingSummit.com. You click on registration, scroll down just a little bit for group ticket sales, and you'll see that promotion. Again, it's the Bring a Friend program for $150. Make sure that you do that before midnight on the 24th, on Tuesday. Look forward to seeing you at the summit.